Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the values of a and b from the equation 1 by x is equal to a by x plus b by x. So let's start. This is our given equation. Simplifying this, we get 1 by x is equal to a plus b by x. Look that both the denominators are same. So the numerators must be equal to each other. So we have 1 equal to a plus b. So the desired values of a and b should satisfy this equation. For example, if we take a equal to 1 by 2, then from this equation b should be 1 by 2. This is one set of a and b. Similarly, if we take a equal to 1 by 3, then to satisfy this equation, b should be 2 by 3. This is another set of a and b. So, in general, we can say that if a equal to x, then to satisfy this equation, b should be 1 minus x, where x is an arbitrary real number. Since x is an arbitrary real number, so we can conclude that there are infinitely many values of a and b which satisfy this equation. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.